YouTube, this is Felicia Loves and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is my Bath and Body Works haul. I also have a couple of makeup items that I want to share with you guys. So I just wanted to show you a few things that I have been picking up here and there for the holidays. Let's start with the Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works had a sale last week that was buy one get one get one free. So I bought a couple of candles at that time, and then this weekend they had a sale that was for the soaps that were $2.95. So I did pick up some hand soaps at $2.95. So let me go ahead and show you what I was actually able to pick up. So let's get started. The first item I was able to pick up was a candle. This is called Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. I love the packaging. It smells really, really good. Smells like cookies, of course, and because I'm doing a gingerbread theme, I wanted to have something that made the house smell like cookies, like gingerbread, and this one actually fit the bill. Let me tell you what's in this candle. This candle has caramel, cinnamon, vanilla bean, maple brown sugar, and essential oils. I really love the way it smells. I haven't burned it yet, so I don't know what the throw is, but I know it's going to be good. So this is the first candle that I was able to pick up. The next candle I was able to pick up is the Sugar Snickerdoodle. I always get this candle almost every year. This year the packaging has a gingerbread of a female and a male, which I think is really, really cute. I love the packaging. And this candle has warm spice, creamy vanilla, sugar musk, and natural oils. I can smell all of that. It really does. It smells like a Snickerdoodle cookie, y'all. So this one smells really, really good, and I like the packaging, and it also goes with my theme, so it was just a perfect candle for me to pick up. The next candle that I picked up is called Merry Cookie. I'm doing a gingerbread theme, so it really fell in line with it. This is Merry Cookie. I love the packaging on this one. This one has no. Do it like this. Hi YouTube. I arrived at my Bath and Body Works super late, so they didn't have all the scents that I was looking for, but that was fine. I do already have a lot of hand soaps because I love their hand soaps. I was only able to get my hands on one of my favorite one, which is Kitchen Lemon. I love putting this in the kitchen to wash my hands in the kitchen. I love the way that it smells. It's really fresh, really clean. So I was glad that I was able to get my hands on this one. I was also able to pick up a few Japanese cherry blossoms. This is something that I use in my bathroom for my personal self. Like my husband and I both have sinks. I always grab this one. I think it smells really good. It's not too much because I know you guys, when we wash our hands, I do not like a very strong scent. A few months ago I bought eucalyptus mint and it was just way too strong for me. I like something a little more subtle. Even though the Kitchen Lemon is very lemony, it's not, I can't explain, it's not too much for me. I can deal with that, but I could not deal with that eucalyptus mint. It was just way too much. It was just overpowering, so I didn't like it. But I do like the eucalyptus mint in a candle. I just don't like it in a hand soap. And the other one I was able to get was Sunshine and Lemons, this hand soap. I think it's an old pack. I don't know if it's old packaging or what, but I just kind of figured since they didn't have any more of the Kitchen Lemon that this one would suffice, and plus it was only $2.95. So I did buy several of the Japanese cherry blossoms. So those are all the candles that I picked up. I didn't like the scents of the other ones that were left. They were there for a reason. So I didn't pick any of those up. So let's get into the fun stuff. Let's get into the makeup. Okay, let's get started on the makeup I was able to pick up. I picked up several palettes. One of them was the Disney palette, which I am really loving. I love the packaging. If you open it, you'll see all the beautiful colors. I did get this as a collector's item, but I'll also use it. I love the fact that they have different characters inside of the palettes, which I probably don't want to mess up, but I do love Mickey Mouse and I do love Disney. So that's one, and this one is by Morphe, and I picked this one up at ULTA. I also was able to pick up 3 of the Juvia's palettes. I picked up the grays, I picked up the mints, And I picked up the Army. The Army are greens, which I love. A sparkly green. That is cute. During the fall, I wear a lot of olive colors, so green is one of my go-to colors. I know this one will be put to use. I use this in conjunction with browns, just kind of like, it's like a green neutral. I have to show it to you, and I'll probably show you a look of this one later on in my channel, because I've had a lot of people asking me to do makeup, and I don't do makeup anymore because you have to dang near be an artist, and I'm not. I just do everyday makeup. But I will do something or show you at least what I've done sometime during the holidays. I'll show you what palettes I used. This is Juvia's palettes, the Rebel Mint. Really, really pretty. The only thing, being a brown girl, is you have to watch out for these coming off ashy. So I really, really, really use these with a light hand. But the colors are just spectacular. I love them. The next one are grays. Well, I use grays all the time. And again, you have to be careful as a brown skin girl with grays, because they can come off ashy too. But anytime I do a smoky eye, I pick up a beautiful gray, and I know these will fit the bill. And I love, love, love this dark gray here in the corner. I know I will be using it a lot. I was also able to pick up a couple of lipsticks, some of my faves for the holidays. When I want to go for a light neutral lip, I get me a dark brown pencil, not chestnut. Okay, brown girls, a dark skin, a dark brown pencil, and I use Snob. Because I find that chestnut is not dark enough for me, and I do also put gloss on top. So I do love this lip. I don't know why I keep losing these, but I buy these almost every year, and the color is Rebel. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? I love this color. It's one of my staple colors that I wear during the fall. And I actually picked up Rebel, not from Ulta, I picked it up from the MAC store. I picked up Snob from Ulta. The other one I want to show you is a pencil, and it's called Stud. I actually thought I was picking up Spike, but it wasn't, which that's fine. I know that it's going to work out just fine. It's a dark brown color that I will be using on, I'm trying to get y'all a swatch. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll be using that on my brows. I'm gonna love it, and I love the fact that it also has a comb on the end, so you can kind of, don't look at my brows, they're not done. One of the things I picked up was for a great value. It was this large setting spray. It's super huge, y'all, and I do use this almost every time I put my makeup on, so I was able to snag me a setting spray. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. I really like to hear from you, so sound down at the bottom and tell me what you found. I really want to know what you guys are finding in store and what you're looking for. The candles, I love candles. Y'all know I'm a candle girl, so I love the candles. I am going to pick up some more at the candle sale. So let me know what scents you're feeling so I can be on the lookout for those scents as well. As far as the makeup, I will be not doing a makeup tutorial, but I will be showing you how I'm using some of the makeup that I'm picking up for the holidays and what looks I'm doing with them. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.